So what do you think of the construction progress so far, Mark?
We're moving right along down here in McBride in Long Beach. It's going to be a cool little park in a great neighborhood. Right next to the high school. A bunch of kids that live around here. It's going to be sweet.
What do you think of the construction progress?
We're making great progress here. I'm very impressed with the performance of our crew. We should have this thing wrapped up in about a week and a half.
What features are you most excited about in the park?
Well, we've done a couple of new things here that I'm excited about. We've created something that we're calling the Sushi Pier 7, which is replicates the Pier 7 ledges in San Francisco, but we've done a twist to it and curved it, basically made it concave, similar to a sushi dish. But I think the thing that I'm most excited about is we're doing a replica of a China bank on one side of the park, and we're integrating the initials LBC, the city of Long Beach, into it, and they're about 6 feet tall, these letters are.